Welcome to Sunrise Edu.
Hello everyone, welcome to the Grammar World with Sunrise Edu. Every sentence needs a heart and that heart is the verb. Verb sentence की जान होती है. So आज हम जानेंगे verbs, उसके कुछ forms और kinds with examples. और लास्ट में करेंगे एक छोटा सा quiz for perfection. So end तक बने रहिए. Now what is a verb? A verb is a word that shows action or a state of being. Actions that means work that we do. जो काम हम लोग करते हैं. For example, the boy plays with the ball. Over here, play is a verb. The girl danced very well. So dance is your verb. Verb also shows the state of being. For example, is, am, are. Like he is happy, the bus is late. So here is the main verb. There are three forms of verbs: present, past and past participle. V1 is the base form of verb, that is present. V2 is the past form and V3 is the past participle form of verb. For example, go, went, gone. Where go is the base form, went is the past form of verb and gone is the past participle form of verb, that is V3. There are two types of verbs: transitive verb and intransitive verb. ट्रांजिटिव इंट्रांजिटिव करने से पहले हमें सेंटेंस में सब्जेक्ट और ऑब्जेक्ट को जानना बहुत जरूरी है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, द बॉय फ्लू अ काइट, वेयर बॉय इज द सब्जेक्ट एंड काइट इज द ऑब्जेक्ट. माई फादर लव्स मी, वेयर माई फादर इज द सब्जेक्ट एंड मी इज द ऑब्जेक्ट. इट्स नॉट नेसेसरी कि कोई थिंग ही ऑब्जेक्ट होगा. जो एक्शन रिसीव करता है वो भी ऑब्जेक्ट होता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, द टीचर प्रेज द चाइल्ड, where teacher is the subject and child is the object who is receiving the action. What is transitive verb? A verb that requires an object to complete the verb. कोई काम करने के लिए अगर हमें किसी ऑब्जेक्ट की जरूरत होती है, so that is called a transitive verb. For example, she reads books, where she is the subject, reads is the verb, books is the object. Number 2, he opened the door, where he is the subject, open is the verb, door is the object. In both the cases, objects are there. So we can say it's a transitive verb. Now what is intransitive verb? A verb that does not require an object. मतलब जिस काम के लिए हमें ऑब्जेक्ट की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती है. For example, she sings sweetly, where she is the subject and sings is the verb. The stars are twinkling, where stars is the subject and twinkling is the verb. In both the cases, objects are not there. So we can say that it's an intransitive verb. Hope you all understood very well. So to make it more clear, we will do a short quiz for perfection. So you have to choose the correct option. Don't be afraid of participating. So let's start. Number 1. She writes poem. A. Number 2. The baby cried loudly. B. Number 3. We play football every Sunday. A. They arrived late to the meeting. B. Number 5. He opened the window. A. Number 6. My friends laughed at the joke. B. Number 7. The teacher explained the lesson clearly. A. Number 8. The sun rises in the east. B. Number 9. I bought a new laptop. A. Number 10. The children slept peacefully. This you all have to answer in the comment section. Hope you all have enjoyed the quiz. So जो भी first 5 correct comment करेंगे, I will announce their names in the next video. So good luck to you all. Every small step you take in learning makes your language more stronger. So don't be afraid of mistakes. They are just sign that you are trying. So keep learning and keep practicing with Sunrise Edu. Bye for now. See you again.